Okay, now we've kind of roughed out. Let me show you. We've roughed out the inside of the Kuksa bowl now using a gouge, and what we've tried to do is just to thin the walls around the sides and the lower part, so that the part where they were at their inflection point, just try to get that matching the outer curve of the bowl, if you like. Now, at the moment it's pretty rough and the bottom of the bowl is flat. So what we need is our secret weapon, and that is the Twicker cam. Now, where did I put it? Here we go. Now, as I said, the Twicker cam was developed in Wales, and Wales, as it happens, is the epicenter of wooden bowl making, wooden bowl and wooden spoon making at one time. So these tools are quite hard to come by, and individual makers like Nick Westerman and so on, who also live in Wales, they actually still make these to order, but the order list can be very, very long. The waiting list can be very, very long. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm using the curved blade of the Twicker cam to kind of carve out the bottom of the bowl, and that's to give the bowl these kind of curved shape, a pleasing curved shape at the bottom that matches the side walls. Now, of course, because this is a large bowl, there's an awful lot more of this type of work involved. And what I'm doing is I'm carving out the bottom, but I'm also trying to match the curve of the bottom with that I've already established at the sides. Now, the action you use is a kind of twisting action. It's the best way to use the Twicker cam. So it's the blade, the curved part of the blade shears into the fibres, because at the moment what you're doing is you're working at 90 degrees to the fibres most of the time, and then when you come down to the ends, slightly different approach. It's more of a twisting action like that, if you can see this. A twisting action like that, like you're scooping out ice cream, only it's a lot harder. I sometimes put gloves on at this point because the blade really is extremely sharp, and you don't want to bleed all over your nice bowl. It really is, you hardly notice your cut back. So what I've got now is a ridge developing in the bottom of the bowl. You can see we've got to be able to, there's this ridge here forming here, and what we've got to do is to clear that ridge, and that's going to take a lot of work. So I might see you later.